Welcome to the next lecture, hash diagram. So at the end of the session, the learner will be able to understand what is meant by hash diagram, some of the examples based on the hash diagram. So what is the definition of hash diagram? Hash diagram of a poset is the directed graph whose vertices are the element of the poset and arc covers the pair x, y in the poset. For example, so consider the relation 1, 2, 3. What are the possible subset for 1, 2, 3? Pi is one possibility. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is the following set of elements or following set of subset. How to draw the hash diagram? Pi is there. Pi is connected to 1 and pi is connected to 2. Pi is connected to 3. So what is the next one? 1, 2. So 1 is there, 2 is there. 1, 2 is connected. Here 1 is there, 2 is connected. Again 1, 3. So 1 is connected, then 3 is connected. So then it is, you can write as 1, 3 as a subset. 2, 3. 2 is there, 3 is there. So 2, 3 is connected here. Then you can draw the arc. Okay, how to draw the arc? Some set of pair of elements. Then 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2 is there, 2, 3 is there. So you can join 1, 2, 2, 3. Then it is a 1, 2, 3. It is the hash diagram. Hash diagram consisting of the vertices. The vertices represent the set of elements. Then what about the arc represents the relation between the elements. Consider another example. Draw the hash diagram for the poset D12, then division. This is the division. What are the possible divisors of D12? So 1 is divisible, 2 is divisible, 3 is divisible, 4 is divisible, 6 is divisible, 12 is divisible. So again try to 1 is divisible by 2, then 1 is divisible by 3. Then 6 is divisible by both 2 as well as 3. So draw the relation. But so 2 is divisible by 4 also, but it is not divisible. Don't draw the relation. Again 12 is divisible by 4 as well as 6. Draw the relation between 4 to 12 and 6 to 12. So this is the corresponding hash diagram for the given poset. Now consider another example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14. What is the relation? Division is the relation. So first take 1, 2, 3 are the divisors. 2 is divisible by 4 and 6 is divisible by 12. Again 4 is divisible by 12. So 24. So 8 is divisible by 20. 24 is divisible by 8 as well as 12. This is the corresponding hash diagram. What is the relation? Relation is division. What are the possible divisors? You can draw the arc from one set of element to another set of element. Then it is the corresponding hash diagram. Thank you.